Hey, what's up, Charter fam? This video here, we're just going to take a look at Dex Screener. We're going to see if we can find a play one time. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring a project to your attention that I just found out about. And I actually did hop into this project. And it's on the Base Network. All right? Hey, what's up, Charter fam? Thanks for joining the show today. First off, I am not a financial advisor, just a lonely crypto bro who loves investing in different crypto projects. Do not invest in a crypto project that we may bring to the table, all right? Join our Telegram group, links in the description, where we find and share new crypto project info. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, because this is crypto, baby. You'll go broke. All right, so first off, we're gonna go ahead and search through Dex Screener. Let's go ahead and punch here. Let's start with let's go to the 24-hour plays. Let's see if we can get something a little bit more, a little bit more, just a little older. Okay, so Book of Having. All right, let's take a look at this. This one right here, the 420. So I don't like that one because the website is gone. It ain't there. Let's go ahead and double up. Let's double up. Let's check that again. Boom. See, it's not there. I don't like it when they don't have a website. I mean, it's just one of my things. You know what I mean? It's just one of my things. So let's go back to Dex Screener here. Then I go to the 24 and let's go to Base Shiba Inu. Okay, something I was looking at here. Let's see. Price. Let's go to market cap. Okay, because we're always searching around here. Oh, okay, here we go. So yeah, the market cap is already pretty high. It's like over that 5 million point. I mean, in reality of things, that's actually kind of a small market cap. I mean, would I pretty much get in this? I would, you know what I mean? Which I'm actually going to, but I just haven't checked. There's so many cryptocurrencies out here. It's just crazy. You know what I mean? It's hard to, you can't catch them all like Pokemon, bro. You can't catch them all. You can try to, but you can't. You know what I mean? Let's hit the website just really fast. Base Shiba, I'm actually I was looking at this before. I like the artwork. I like everything about this project so far. You know what I mean? So far. So this is gonna be their Twitter. Let's just check it out really fast. You guys can come and check this out. It's on Dex Screener. It's called Base Shiba Inu. Based Shiba Inu. I think you can go to CoinMarketCap too. Okay, join March of 2024. It's almost 6,000 followers. 5 hours, 6 hours, You just want to make sure that, there's plenty of, look at the memes. I mean, it looks like it has an excellent community, but we're going to do a lot more research on this later on. Excuse me. This is going to be the 1 minute chart. This is going to be the 15 minute. You can see that 1 minute chart is just full of noise. This is just noise. Look at all these wicks. I mean, there's lots of volume in this. Let's go with the 15 minute chart. Okay, let's go with the 4 hour chart. Let's see if we can get some kind of since it's been out for a couple of minutes, let's go for a daily. You get on the daily, you can kind of get the overall trend of this token, what's been going on. So pretty much here, down, it pulled up, here, down, it pulled back down, okay, all the way down to that 5 million mark without going into the details. It actually got all the way up to that $21 million mark, and then it's pulled all the way back to that $5 million mark. So if you ask me, if you believe in this token, that seems like a pretty good discount. I think I will look into this a little bit later, but let's go. We look like we're on a downtrend here. This is going to be on the 4 hour here. It is looking like it's still on a downtrend. Let's go to the 15 minute chart. Yeah, it's 15. I mean, right now, because of where it's at, man, it's one of them things where it's like, ugh, it's one of them charts where you just like, ugh. It's up there. That's the thing. It's up there. So when I say it's up there, meaning it's up there. So if it starts dropping, ain't no telling where it's gonna drop to. You're gonna be in the red in a heartbeat. But I believe in this token so far. Like I said, I have done just a little bit of research on this, and it's Shiba Inu. I'm a very firm believer in Shiba Inu, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at this a little bit later. But we're gonna go ahead and jump to this token. We'll probably go ahead and find another play later, because you really got to take a look. You don't just want to be hopping in and just snatching any play. I'd be doing that at first with my bot. I was just snatching stuff and putting it in my bot and just in the red. We ain't doing that. So if we don't see nothing right off the bump, we're gonna go ahead and wait for another day or another session. All right, really quick, right here, boom. I was watching YouTube videos, and this one right here is called the Degensons. Bro, I was weak. I think it is maybe about a month old or something like that. I'm not really too sure. It is on the base network. Okay, here's gonna be their website. Meet Mike Degenson. Okay, actually, you know what? Before we do that, let me go ahead and pull this up really quick. Peep, they got like a small little video, bro, that I was weak when I seen it. I mean, make sure you guys come down here, check out Degensons. Go to dextools.io and you can punch up the Degensons, and then you'll get to it and you'll be able to find the information that you need on it. But let me see if I can find. Look at these. The memes is crazy. The memes is just crazy on that. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not even gonna cap this. See this lady right here? This is the video that I seen. I seen this and then I went immediately jumped on it. I was a big Simpsons fan and I kind of see how they're rolling. I'm trying to find the actual, where'd that video go, bro? Oh, okay, here it is. Now I don't know if YouTube is gonna like this or not, but
somebody get me a fucking smoke.
That anyway.
I say fuck you. I say fuck community college. Let's get drunk and eat chicken fingers. Somebody get me a fucking smoke. I say fuck community college.
Okay, let me go ahead. I don't want you to play again. All right, but dope. I mean, that's just a little bit, There's a lot to this project. You guys have to check it out. They actually had an AMA today on Twitter. Hopefully everybody got a chance to take a listen. I was in there and I was really checking it out. The team really sounds like they actually know what they're talking about. They seem like they actually know what they're doing. The market cap is about 414K. Total supply is about 1 billion. Okay, 24-hour volume is about almost 40K. Liquidity is about 77K, and it's locked. There's about 811 holders. It's running an 80 out of 99 on the DEX score. Contract is renounced. There is no buy and sell tax. The Degensons are true degens of the base order. Looking for the next trip to the moon. Locked LP, verified, renounced, contract, and docs team. That's like the quando wando of the whole situation right there, bro. Let me run that back to you real quick. Looking for the next trip to the moon. You looking for the moon? I'm looking to go to the moon too. It has locked LP. The contract is verified. It's renounced, and it's a docs team, bro. The docs team is just crazy to me. There's a lot of these projects where they dare show not their face. They be rugging people. That's why. Nah, but some people just choose to stay anonymous. All right. So the price is gonna be we're at 3 zeros, 41.47. We're negative almost 15% on the 24-hour. Let's look at the Degens chart. Okay, this is gonna be the 15 that you're looking at. We're gonna run over here one more time to the, wait a minute, okay, so it had its initial run. Hold on, before we even go there, let's hold on, let me see. No. Hold on, you know what? Actually, I think it would be more. I don't know. I'm acting real slow right now. Let's just take this contract address, right? Just right click it, I'm gonna paste it, and let's see. Okay, so the Degensons, it pulled up here. Okay, and I want to click, because on Dex Screener you can change it to a market cap. Okay, so my bad for the slowness. But yeah. So we're on market cap now. That way we can really see what's going on. Price really don't matter. Market cap is everything. I'm noticing, because it took me a long time to really know that. All right. So let's go on the daily chart really quick. On the daily chart, it looks like it's on its way down. It's been kind of ranging a little bit. It actually ran all the way up to that 1.87 million on the market cap, and then it's pulled back since. It's kind of been ranging all the way across here. We're sitting around that 400K market cap now. For me, myself, I'm gonna just say, oh, well, it's way up there. Hold on, let me see. Let's go ahead and we can just take our little measuring tool here. We'll pop here and we'll go up here. So we are a whole bunches of percents up. So it's, I mean, you know, because of the meme, I mean, peep the meme, no, you know, the Degensons, you know, the Simpsons, you know what I mean? I mean, I feel it. I can feel that. Supply is going to be 1 billion. What's that? 1, 2, 3 million billion. 0 taxes, 0 team allocations. Verified renounced contract. LP is locked. Meet Mike Degenson. He lives in his mom's basement after losing almost everything gambling on Solana meme coins. I'm hella weak. Now he's put his last $2 into Degens on base, waiting for a trip to the moon. He's one of us. Now that is if you can't feel that, I mean, man. Peep this out. The Degens team, the Degenson team. Okay, we have Bad Shotgun, Base Dev. All right, Catman, The Money. Okay, we got Merc, Dank Memer. Okay, and the Chadma, Dank Memer. All right, so we don't know what Dank Memer means. Probably should copy that, punch it up into Google and see what comes up. But anyways, yeah. So this, I can feel it. I feel it. You know what I mean? I like the artwork. Everything looks pretty good about this project, man. You know, I feel kind of good about it. Let's see the tokenomics. We went through that. Let's see what happens when you click buy. Let's see what happens. It says user Uniswap interface, so it'll just pull that up. You'll most likely go ahead and click that. Once you get into there, they'll want you to connect your wallet, and you'll handle your payment business with Ethereum or whatever they take for payment up in there. Most likely it's going to be the WETH. Okay, I probably wouldn't recommend coming through the website like this. I probably would, you know, go straight directly through your Coinbase wallet or whatever wallet you're using to get on the base chain with. So just keep that in mind. But this ain't financial advice. You do what you want to do. But this Degensons, though, I kind of feel it. But the reason why I was looking at that about the meme is I'm like, okay, because, you know, typically if I see a chart like this and we're up like a bazillion percent already, I would just have to roll past it until it, you know, maybe put it on your watch list, boom, you know, and you know, wait for it to drop because it's so high up. You get in right now and you know, things turn for the worse for whatever reason may be, and it flips a turn and it starts dropping. You know, you're gonna be in the red, and that's what nobody wants to be in the red, especially me, because I've been in the red lately, just getting beat up. All right, so like I said, let me see right now. Let's go down to the smaller time frames to see what the entry is like. If I was looking for an entry right now, okay, on the 1 second, I'll do that. Restart the chart. Okay, so this chart, I'm gonna just tell you right now, it's just full of some goddamn noise, bro. Hold up. Yeah, we're gonna come off that 1 second chart real quick. When you get stuff like that and you don't like what you see, you know what I mean? When you pull up your chart like that, boom, 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 you just right click and click reset chart view. And then you can kind of, it gives you a little bit better of an idea here. So I guess we can rock with this right here. You can outstretch it more. You can really see the good candles and all that good stuff. But it's on the 1 minute chart. From what I'm seeing, it's looking like it's going down. The 1 second chart was pretty much the same, but if I was looking for an entry right now, I actually would punch back over to that 1 second, but we'll ride off this 1 minute chart. But you know, you can look everything that's going on back here. It's just all craziness. Okay, so we're just gonna base on what we're gonna do just on this little bit of time frame right here. So as you can see, my man dropped all the way down. He dropped all the way down to that 2633 mark, and the bulls had fun pulling that all the way up. Okay, so what we would do is, and I guess we can use a little bit of this. Oh wait, hold up. Let's get our rectangle out, and all we're gonna do is just mark an area. Well, I probably shouldn't use that area because we can obviously see that it just went down. So for shits and giggles, we're just gonna use this area right here, okay? And all we're doing right here, we ain't trying to do nothing spectacular or nothing like that, but all we're trying to do is mark an area of entry, okay? You want to get the best entry as possible. You don't want no bullshit entry. It goes up 40% like I was the other day because Solana was lagging, bro. So I put my trade in, and then as soon as I put my trade in, like, it wouldn't go through, and then it said that it rejected. So I was like, okay, cool. But then check it out, I checked my bot like maybe about 15-20 minutes later, the play actually really went through. So I'm like, what in the hell? And it was down like 30, 35, 40 it was up like 35, 40%, and I was only up like 5 cents, 6 cents on my wallet, you know what I mean, on the play. So that tells me by the time that play went through, you know, I probably gotta, you know, mess with the settings on my bot, whatever, you know. Anyways, so this, we're gonna go off here about the 5207 mark. Right now it looks like we're an obvious downtrend, okay? We're at the 4149 mark. It looks like if it was to come down, there's a lot of little dinkity dink, a lot of resistance going on here, or a lot of support pretty much. So if it happens to come back to this 39.75 area around here, you know, this is going to be definitely a good buy, but I need to see some kind of confirmation that it's going to go back up before I purchase, because I don't want it to, just because it comes here, you know, you're cool at this 39.98 mark and you buy here, and next thing you know, it continues going down. And I'm imagining that if it was to blow through all this, I believe that it would probably shoot, if it doesn't get knocked up around 33.87, if it doesn't stop here at this support, maybe wick down this area, I think it's going to drop all the way down to that 26.57 mark. So if it comes down to this mark right here, this is definitely going to be a good buying area. But for right now, we're just going to chill and we're going to wait it out before we get in, but we're going to do a little bit more research before we do that. You guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments about this Degensons play. You know what I mean? This is going to be a good play. Like I said, I was into it when I was younger. I feel where they went with it, and I like it. You know what I mean? Whether everybody else is gonna like it, I don't really know. You know how crypto is. Here today, gone tomorrow, and I ain't really heard too much about it. So hopefully we can get some marketing going. But we got to push the word around. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.